Okay, oh my goodness, because it's so hot outside, I've been making stuff this summer. I made file folder divider tabs. Oh my god, they're so cute. I think you're gonna love this video. They're really easy to make, and you can get my digital download on my Etsy shop. And I hope you guys will like and subscribe my video so we can get to 100,000 subscribers. Look, here we go. You've uploaded your images into your Cricut canvas Cricut design space. On your image, just go ahead and you can select simple and continue. Sorry, I didn't include the whole part of my screen. Oh no, can I fix this? Yeah, okay, I was able to fix that. So then you just want to preview cut image, and if you don't do anything, obviously you're gonna have a cut a blank square. Who wants that? So just click the background, and now you can do preview, and now you see where you have one divider page number 1. Okay, so let's go ahead, apply and continue. And there's nothing to print unless you just want a bold page of color, and I don't think you do, because your paper is probably a color that you prefer. So just go ahead and click cut image, upload. Yeah, you can see all my other stuff that I was working on. So we're going to pick this image and add to canvas. And let me see if I can reduce the size so you can see this. Okay. Now, it's really important that you change the size. Oh, for some reason, I just don't like looking at them like that. So I put it in color. It's prettier. Makes your day. So you want to change the size to 11 inches wide by, oh my gosh, I totally forgot. No, no, no. Ah, okay. To 11 by 9.014. 11 by 9.014. So let me get this out of the way and click on there. So it's a little bit bigger than it should be. So where are my number editing thing? Oh shoot. What is going on here? Gonna have to edit this. There it is. So change that to 11 by, gotta unlock the little thingy, 9.01. Okay, so just make sure you change the settings so that when you print it, it will actually print with enough leftover space for your thing to look great and pretty. So it'll be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click make it. And I don't know why my screen is all kaplooey today. So I'm going to squeeze that in so you could see. And then I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to choose cardstock. And then I'm going to go ahead and load my paper and print it out. You know how this part goes. Hey everybody, okay, today I'm going to show you what I created. This is my latest digital download in my Etsy shop. I know if you remember my the index card dividers I made. Well, look what I made. Oh my god, I love these. These are file folder tabs. Hold on. So I figured out how in using, where are we? I'm trying to get level here. So I have been working on like forever a cookbook. Okay. So I wanted some tabs, and the tabs that I had been using were these little plastic ones. What I did, I just sat down and figured it out and said, okay, this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, but I need the little tab to stick out a little bit longer. So, ta-da! I have now made a digital download that you can use with your Cricut machine or you could print. And these are the 5 tabs. If somebody out there needs the 3 tabs, I might be able to get around to making that. I just don't know how soon it will be. Now, I had lots of cardstock paper, so I made them different colors. So now, when I go to, let me see, I'm gonna pull 5. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these. L, and then I punched holes in them because now I guess you could with your Cricut tell it to put holes, but I didn't do all that. So now you can just go ahead, punch holes in it, put it in your binder. It looks much nicer. And you actually could use your Cricut and write something on here, what each section is if you want it. But I didn't do it this time because I think I'm going to do a little something different with that. So that's it. Easy peasy. So thanks for watching. You can get these, the digital template to download and cut on my Etsy shop. And I will see you online. Thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe because this year, 2023, we're going to get to 100,000 subscribers. I think we got 48,000, but I'm not sure. To get 50,000 subscribers, do I get the little YouTube plaque? Anyway, we'll figure it out. But thanks for watching.